Here's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. And it comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, automatic suspension management, AM/FM satellite radio, power telescoping steering column, rear-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and LED low-beam headlights. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.